The history of Oakland Hills, obviously it's steeped in tradition, 17 championships, Ryder Cups, US Opens, PGA Championships. These golf courses need to keep up with the times. So to keep up with the times, it requires renovations, but in our case at Oakland Hills, it's a restoration. There were major changes. Tree removal, vistas opened up, 1,000-yard views that had been lost over time. This was going back to 1918, and something that is so old is now so new and brings us to the forefront of golf again.
There's so much technology that went into this golf course to make sure that we could have the playability that our members expect and that future championships would need. I think it makes it very unique. I think you can have this beautiful historical property and still have this wonderful infrastructure of technology like our Rainbird system, and it still be, you know, a celebration of history.
What we're most excited about with the renovation is the ability to play the course as it was intended. What we wanted was firm and fast conditions that were consistent from day to day. So the biggest changes have been on hole number 7. I think it's by far the most interesting hole out there. You have to think on every shot.
What excited me most about the renovation was hearing that we were going with Rainbird for the irrigation system. I had worked with Rainbird prior to coming here, and I just think the simplicity and dependability of Rainbird products is uncomparable.
The IC system is a game changer here at Oakland Hills. It's given us the capability to run precision air functions along with our irrigation system, putting water only where we need it to improve playability.
Adapting to the 2-wire system was completely seamless in my experience. I had not worked with it before. After doing the wire pulls with the contractor and getting all the heads wired up, everything just clicked.
When we were making this decision, we wanted a relationship for the future, and we knew no matter what we did, whether it was major championships or member guests, Rainbird was going to be by our side the whole entire time.